Hello there, this is Micah, and this is the weekly Forex forecast and update on this channel. And right now we're looking at Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, and Usdjpy. Yeah. So, but before we get into the business of the day, let's talk about the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly. This is a signal service that I provide directly, and this signals entails every trade that I take. Yeah, so every trade that I take, I'll be sharing on this premium Forex signal service channel, and we only do high probability trading signals over here, just high probability trading signals. It's worth a lot more than $200, but that is what I charge for it. And if you like to be part of it, if you like to if you like to get signals from me, you can check the description below. My Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and let's get started. Let's chat, let's talk about it, and you can get started with us. So that is it for premium Forex signal service. Let's go to the business of the day. Now, Euro USD. Let's start from the monthly. We'll do a quick top-down analysis. Now, Euro USD has been on a downtrend, and it has broken this low that has held for some years, which might signal that price might see lower lows, right? But of course, that's a speculation. So let's look at what the weekly says. So on the weekly we see it has been trying to push some highs, but we see it has broken the low again and has been unable to create higher highs. We see another lower high right here. Yeah, but we're yet to see any higher high. So this might be a sign that the sell might be closer. Yeah, the sell opportunity might be close or nearby. Now for the daily, what do we see? We see a bullish move closing the week. What do we expect? Since the daily is our entry price for entry time frame for this analysis. So what do we expect? Well, this is what I'll be looking out for. If price comes into this zone, into this 1.08809 zone, and gives us a double top, and then goes ahead to give us a bearish day close candle, which would be a bearish signal for me, then I would look for opportunities to sell this market. Yeah, I would look for opportunities to sell this market, at least into this I'll go for a 1-to-1. Typically I'll go for a 1-to-1, but based on structure, I think you should look at the possibility of price coming into the 1.07802 area, and since it's even a downtrend, there's a possibility that it even breaks below that and goes lower than that. So that's what I'll be looking out for Euro USD. But if it continues above this place and doesn't give us a bearish day close and breaks above and come into the zone, I would also have the same expectation. If it comes into that zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I would expect some sell-off into the 1.08809 area and even below to the 1.07802 area. So that's what I would be expecting for Euro USD for the sells. Now if it continues down, without coming in contact with any of these zones, just continues down and gives us interacts with this, violates this 1.07802 area, and then gives us a bullish day close. Then I'll look for an opportunity to buy. Right, I'll look for an opportunity to buy. This, I would have said you should look for an opportunity to buy back into this top, but since it's a bearish market, you want to be safe. You want to make sure you're on the safe side. So I would say you shouldn't look for too much. Shouldn't look for more than possibly a 1-to-1 risk reward on this one when you're looking for a buy. I don't think you should look for more than that for now, right? For now. So that will be for Euro USD. Let's look at GBP USD. Now for GBP USD, let's start from the monthly. Same, I think it's the same idea with the Euro USD. Euro USD market, it's the same idea. Now if we go down to the weekly, what do we see? Well, we see something happening here. I already, drew out this possibility of the market coming back into this trend line that started from the 9th, I think that is 9th of June 2023. So we see it also had an interaction with that. Paris also came into that trend line on the 3rd of March 2024, and price is coming close coming close into that zone again, or into that trend line area again. So there's a possibility price comes into that trend line area and drops down, right? There's a possibility that happens, and if that happens, then we should be looking for a sell at that point. But until then, let's take a look at our typical horizontal zones scenario. Now if price comes into this 1.28919 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I would be expecting some sells, and I would look forward to getting some sells into the 1.26921 area, and even much lower if possible. But if price comes into this 1.25986 area and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll be looking for some buys into the 1.26921 zone as well. So that's what I'll be expecting for GBP USD. So we move on to the next one, which is the USD CHF currency pair. Now what do we expect from USD CHF? From the monthly time frame, we see that the market is on a downtrend, right? It has ranged, it has given some range, broken down, tried to push higher, but then has broken below this previous low, and then we see the market challenging. Let me zoom in a little. We see price challenging this most recent high, which I won't really call a high. Even if it breaks above this high, I would still call it a downtrend, because it's not a significant pullback in the market. So it's still a very much downwards trending market for me. And all this move from this point, all this move from the 1st of January might just have been a pullback, might just have been a huge pullback. It's on the 1st of January 2024. It might just have been a huge pullback. But let's see what the weekly time frame have to say. What the weekly time frame says, something really similar, right? Something, the same idea for the weekly time frame. Now let's look at the daily and see where we might be taking our entries. Now for the daily, like I said, I think previously some weeks ago, I said if price comes into the zone, this 0.91874 zone gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I will look for opportunities to sell. Right, and we see that price is coming close to that zone, and so we have our fingers crossed waiting to see if we have an opportunity right there. Right, if we do, great. If we don't, it's fine as well. We'll get other opportunities. Now for a second scenario to expect or to look out for, if price comes into the zone, I don't consider that a really significant extended move, from here to here. So I will not look at that. I'll look at this place, the 0.8927 zone. If price comes into the 0.89272 zone, gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then what I would expect would be some bullish move, some bullish move into maybe this previous low. Yeah, maybe this weeks right here. Yeah, bullish move into the 0.90112 zone. That would be my expectation. And the reason is simple. This is a bearish market, right? So when you are buying in a bearish market, you have to be extra careful. Simple. Now let's move to the Usdjpy. Well, for Usdjpy, I don't think we have much to look forward to, because what we are doing here is a technical analysis prediction, or technical analysis prediction. Yeah, that's what I'll call it. So based on that, we don't have any sell opportunities to look forward to, or we can just wait for possibly buys. As you can see, we can see it's been bullish all the while, and if you go back to some weeks before, if you go back on this channel to some weeks before this, I told you that I told you to expect this bullish move. The market was around this zone when I predicted that, because I saw this ascending triangle, and I told you the expectation would be that the market would push out of that zone and give us a bullish move. And if you go down to the daily, I also predicted that price would come down into the zone and then push high. So we see that price shy of some pips came into the zone and pushed higher. So I would also still have the same expectation. So I would also expect that price will come into this 151.65 zone or nearby. Yeah, 151.65 zone. And if it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, if it gives us a bullish day close above this zone, then I'll look for an opportunity to buy the market, because this is a very bullish market, and you have to be really careful. You have to be really careful not to you have to be, how would I say, you have to be bullish when the market is bullish, and you have to make sure you are careful when you are trying to sell. So right now we're looking at a bullish opportunity, so we have huge expectations from it. And also we also have to be careful, because that the market is bullish doesn't mean it cannot be bearish, right? So every bearish market was once bullish. Yeah, so you also have to watch that as well, but have more expectations when you are in line with the trend. So I think that is that for the analysis. Let's get back to this. This is the 200 US dollars monthly premium forex signal service, high probability trading signals. This is the best in the forex trading industry. I'm not bluffing, I'm just stating, I'm just telling you what is, right? This is just the, this is just the best, and this will take your trading to the highest level possible. This will take your trading to the highest level possible. So I'll be expecting you, um, reach out to me using the link in the description below. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Chat me up and let me know you want to be part of what we do, and you can, and I'll let you come on board. Alright, thank you very much. Bye for now.